everyone, it's Anne. I'm here for my creative year for book review or tips or whatever, and I'm using my experimental art journal, and I'll show you what I did in a minute. But the book I'm reviewing today is called Creative Lettering Workshop, Combining Art with Quotes and Mixed Media by Leslie Riley. And unfortunately, it's one of those books that says may not reproduce, may not show, that kind of thing. So I'm just going to kind of give you a little bit of a review. It's a good book. It goes over different types of lettering, different types of media to use with your lettering, such as templates, ink stamps, transfers, that kind of thing, to create lettering in your art journaling or your mixed media, that kind of thing. And so that is what I did. I read the book and kind of being inspired by what one of the pages in the book, I basically did this page, and I used a template for the page. So it says Think and Wonder, Wonder and Think, Dr. Seuss. So, and she goes over whether, you want to do more neat printing or fast printing, that kind of thing. So I hope that you enjoyed this and my quick book review. And again, it's called Creative Lettering Workshop, Combining Art with Quotes and Mixed Media by Leslie Riley. And it's a pretty good book. It goes over different, in the back here it says Creative Lettering Workshop will guide you through expressive mixed media techniques for creating words and phrases that complement your art and also visually express what your favorite quotes mean to you, using instructions and ideas for handwriting and hand lettering. Leslie Riley also encourages you to explore your visual vocabulary through stamping, image transfer, stenciling, and more. And so there's 24 projects in this and 10 plus lettering types: digital lettering, rub-on lettering, resist lettering, and more. So it just kind of gives you ideas and creative ways of adding quotes or, even your own thoughts or feelings in a creative way. So it's a good book. So thanks again for watching, and don't forget to check out the Facebook group. I'll post a link down at the bottom in the description box below. Thanks again for watching. Toodles. Bye. Have a wonderful day.